have with us Anjali. And Anjali, say hello to everyone.
Hello everyone.
So Anjali is going to make साबूदाना वड़ा, right? बहुत फेमस, सभी बनाते हैं घर में, नहीं? वेरी टेस्टी. नवरात्रि का सबसे फेमस क्या फूड है?
साबूदाना
वड़ा. So Anjali, it's all yours. Please go ahead.
Thank you, chef. As chef already mentioned, I am going to make sabudana vada. For sabudana vada, I have taken 2 medium-sized boiled potato and I have already grated them. Now I will add soaked
So कितने potato हैं Anjali?
2 medium-sized.
2 medium-sized potato. So you completely boiled it already, right?
Yes, chef.
Okay.
Now I am going to add sabudana.
ये साबूदाना आपने सोक किया पानी में?
Yes, sir.
For how long?
3 hours.
3 hours. Okay. So please keep in mind these small things, right? So what is the ratio of potato and
Chef,
sabudana?
equal ratio.
Equal ratio. Okay, fine. So 1:1 का ratio है.
Now I will add chopped green chilies to it. You can add as per to your taste.
Taste. So I think you are making spicy. Okay. No, you can make spicy if you like it spicy.
Now I am going to add chopped coriander.
Okay. धुला हुआ था ये?
Yes, chef.
Okay.
Chopped ginger, finely chopped.
Finally chopped ginger. Okay.
Peanuts.
So, जो भी है सारा व्रत का है, right?
Yes, chef.
Okay.
Chef, in some places we use jeera,
Okay.
but I am not adding as
Jeera because you don't have in Navratri,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So it depends on place to place.
Yes, chef.
Few people have jeera.
For crunchiness, I am adding peanuts to
So
it.
for different textures, he is adding peanut. It's a great idea.
And vada is from South India, that is why I am giving South Indian touch to it.
Okay, so she is giving South Indian touch as well because vada, the name comes from South India.
Now we will mix it after adding salt and pepper to it.
Okay, so कौन सा salt डाल रही हैं आप?
Chef, सेंधा नमक.
सेंधा नमक जो कि व्रत का है.
Yes.
So this recipe is completely of Navratri
Now I am going to add सेंधा नमक to it.
as per your
Taste.
taste. Now you're gonna to mix it.
After adding pepper powder, I will mix.
Which pepper?
Black pepper.
Black pepper. But we have added green chili as well.
Yes, chef.
और black pepper also.
Yes, chef.
Okay. So हाथ से mix करने का लगी, you know,
Yes,
it
chef.
add taste to the food.
Yes, chef.
है ना?
And corner से भी वो पूरा आ जाएगा.
हाँ, अगर आप मशीन से या फिर उससे करोगे तो वो मज़ा नहीं आता है ना, जैसे गोलगप्पे खाने में हाथ का मज़ा है.
Yes, chef.
Right?
Yes, chef.
So I think
This is ready. Now I will request chef to taste it.
this is very important. Frying करने से पहले टेस्ट करना बहुत जरूरी है, so that you can adjust the seasoning. But I think this is perfectly fine. सारी चीजें balanced हैं. You can make वड़ा,
Yes, chef. Vada out of it.
patty.
Yes, chef. Right.
तो पहले हम इसकी balls बना लेंगे, right?
Yes, chef.
Ball बनाने के बाद we flatten it. It's
And
already here, no? One is
Try
here.
to give uniformity to it.
Okay, so this is the perfect size, हाँ?
Yes.
तो इस तरीके के हम लोग बना लेंगे,
Yes.
right?
I already have heated the oil. Now I
You cannot see. It's there, right?
You have to be very careful.
Okay, I think टेम्परेचर राइट टेम्परेचर है, ज़्यादा गर्म नहीं होना चाहिए. हाँ अंजलि,
Yes.
ज़्यादा गर्म होगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? तो ये जल जाएगा
Yes, sir.
और अंदर से कच्चा रह जाएगा, राइट?
और अगर कच्चा होगा तो ऑलरेडी हमारे आलू पके हुए हैं तो वो सोक कर देंगे उसको.
ठीक
अगर
है.
ये कम होगा तो.
मतलब टेम्परेचर अगर ऑयल का कम होगा तो ऑयल को क्या होगा, टिक्की सोक कर लेगा, एब्जॉर्ब कर. And we all people are nowadays health conscious, right? So we avoid. You can fry it in desi ghee also, right?
Yes.
देसी घी का अलग ही टेस्ट आएगा. But अंजलि रेसिपी says oil, refined oil or olive oil?
I have used desi ghee.
Okay, this is देसी घी. Oh, fine, perfectly fine. थोड़ा खुशबू कम आ रही है इसमें. I think अमूल का है, किसका है? अमूल is a good brand. अंजलि घर से है.
शेफ घर का है.
हाँ तो तभी पूरा किचन महक रहा है घी से. I think the color is coming.
Yes, chef. Almost done.
Yes.
This
So, a very good color. That's golden color.
Cook until it turns golden brown. It's done.
So we can make it off. Okay,
I
fine.
will.
The rest of we can do later on. So this is perfect color.
Chef, I request you to please help me.
Yes, plating, right?
Yes.
So what else you need? You have this chutney, huh?
Yes, chef.
Or
And for garnishing.
okay.
Spring.
So you can give the base of green chutney. Drop wise, like yesterday you made a. Yes, perfectly fine. Right? One here. One here. Right? Now half of vada should be on the chutney and half aside, right?
Chef, like this.
This way. Right? The same symmetrical. Perfect. Okay. And very nice. Now you can give this, no? Coriander sprig on the top. Yes. Always, when we plate, always we do so that it is visible. Thoda visible rahe. So we can put it on the side of the white base. Okay. And try to give the big sprig. It's perfectly fine. Right?
Yes. As we.
Curry leaves, right? So you can put it here. Right? So this is okay. Anjali, we can add the yogurt also.
Yes.
if you want,
chef.
right?
But chef, there is reason behind it.
Okay.
I have not added because I already mixed it with my
Okay, perfectly fine. So she added already with mint chutney. That's why she's not adding yogurt, and I think white plate is there, and yogurt won't give the color
White,
contrast.
yes.
So this is perfectly done. Any doubt?
No, chef.
And you can enjoy some what is sabudana vada? Sabudana vada with mint chutney.
Mint chutney.
Navratri special. Thank you.
Thank you, chef.
Thank you, chef.